Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today we're talking about something truly electrifying. Tejas takes off from Nashik. Yes, you heard that right. India's very own Tejas Mark-1. A fighter jet has officially taken flight from HAL's brand new production facility in Nashik on October 17, 2025. And guess what? It absolutely nailed its maiden flight. This moment marks a huge milestone for Indian aviation and defense technology. For the first time, a Tejas jet has rolled out from HAL Nashik, a facility that now joins HAL Bengaluru's 2 production lines. Together, these 3 lines will supercharge India's fighter jet production capacity. With Nashik now fully operational, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited can manufacture up to 24 Tejas aircraft per year. That's a major boost for the Indian Air Force and a big leap toward achieving self-reliance in advanced defense manufacturing. Adding to the excitement, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh personally inaugurated the Nashik production line and celebrated the success of this maiden flight. His message was clear. India's skies are now being guarded by homegrown technology, designed and built by Indian hands. The Tejas Mark-1A is stepping in to replace the Indian Air Force's aging MiG-21 fleet. Out with the old, in with the bold. The new Tejas comes packed with cutting-edge avionics, advanced radar systems, and precision weapon capabilities, a true next-gen warrior for modern air combat. Production had faced delays earlier, but those hurdles are now cleared thanks to fresh engine deliveries from GE Aerospace. HAL engineers, along with Indian private firms like VEM Technologies, Tocol, and L&T, worked tirelessly to make this project a success. Their collaboration is a shining example of India's growing defense ecosystem, strong, skilled, and proudly self-reliant. Now, HAL's next big mission is to ramp up exports and put the Tejas on the global map. From design to flight, this aircraft embodies the spirit of Made in India, made for the sky. That's all for today's update, folks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thrilling stories about India's journey in defense, technology, and innovation.